it's Thursday, which means our Thursday Q&A question of the week. My name is Emmanuel Cesare, your online personal trainer and wellness coach. And today's question asks, what are some tips and advice for someone who wants to exercise but doesn't quite have the motivation to do so? Great question. And so when it comes to motivation, it's very important when you're starting off doing anything in life that you determine the type of person that you want to be. And once you determine the type of person that you want to be, you begin to get into the mindset of what does that person do? What would that person look like? Or what would be daily steps that that person that I want to be would take? And so when you're starting off something, motivation comes from confidence. You feel confidence when you get good at something, and you get good at something by practicing it with repetitions. And so my philosophy with practicing things and getting better and getting more confident, motivation with things, is that you need to start off small. So that is, start off having an exercise day or 3 exercise day where you do nothing but a couple of push-ups, or when you go to the gym just for 5 to 10 minutes and do something. Just get moving. And what this does is it reaffirms who you want to be, and then as a result you're building momentum into becoming that person little by little. And that's how you take action that leads to motivation. That's what it's all about. And so again, this is something that you can apply to anything in life, but in the area of fitness, you want to make sure that you're taking small steps along your fitness journey, and before you know it, you'll feel as motivated as you ever wanted to be. So as usual, guys, I hope that helps. I had a blast making this video for you guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, tap that subscribe button. Good luck on your fitness journey, and let's do this again sometime.